Thank you so much. And kung may katanungan kayo, call my number 0945-806-3260. 0945-806-3260. Salamat. Bye-bye. 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 So, good morning. So, ito po yung ating electric wheelchair na automatic fold-unfold. Good morning. So, ito po yung ating electric wheelchair na automatic fold-unfold with remote lithium-ion battery, 24 volts, 12 amperes. So, once ino-on nyo pa dito yan. Yan. So, naka-manual po siya pala. Sorry. May manual kasi to. So, angat nyo lang po itong dalawang red. Yan. So, naka-on. On natin. So, ito yung